In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with GoHighLevel. Whether you're a new user or looking to refresh your skills, I'm here to guide you through the process of signing up, setting up, and getting the most out of the CRM platform. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to GoHighLevel.com to kick off your journey. Here, you can start a 14-day free trial, which is a great way to explore the platform without any upfront commitment. As you sign up, you'll be prompted to fill in your business information and select a plan that fits your needs. Once that's done, you can log into your brand new dashboard and start getting familiar with the interface. Next up is completing the Launchpad setup. This setup process will guide you seamlessly through integrating key tools into your GoHighLevel account. You'll need to connect your email, phone number using Twilio, and Stripe for handling payments. Don't forget to integrate your Google account for calendar and email synchronization. And make sure to set your time zone and business name for a personalized experience. Now let's get to know your dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll find a menu filled with essential tools like conversations, where you can manage all your SMS, email, and chat messages in one organized inbox. There's also contacts for keeping track of your leads and clients. Opportunities will help you monitor your sales pipeline, while calendars allows you to schedule appointments effectively. Through marketing, you can create email and SMS campaigns. Automations or workflows lets you develop sequences to automate follow-ups, and sites is where you can build landing pages, websites, and funnels. Once comfortable, it's time to add or import your contacts. This step is simple. Navigate to Contacts and click Import Contacts. From here, you can upload a CSV file or add new leads manually. Be sure to tag your contacts for easy segmentation and add any custom fields that might help you organize them better. Let's move on to setting up your calendar. Under Calendars, you can create a new calendar to manage your schedule. Connect it to your Google Calendar for seamless syncing of bookings. Define your availability, set meeting lengths, and configure buffer times to avoid back-to-back meetings. You can share your calendar link or embed it on your website to make booking appointments straightforward for clients. Creating a funnel or landing page is next. Head over to Sites and select Funnels, then choose New Funnel. You can start from scratch or use a template, adding elements like opt-in forms, thank you pages, and booking pages. Customize these with your brand's colors, text, and call to actions. Once satisfied, publish and share your funnel link. After you've got that in place, it's time to build automations, aka workflows. In automations, you can create a new workflow, setting up triggers like form submitted to initiate actions. These actions might include sending emails or texts, tagging contacts, or creating opportunities. Don't forget to test it thoroughly with a test email. Now, on to campaigns. Head over to Marketing and create a new campaign. Decide between email or SMS and then craft your message. Include personalizations, schedule it, or send it out instantly. Keep an eye on the open and click rates to gauge its success. If you're interested in creating memberships or courses, navigate